who knows where it's going to be next week, Jim, or next month? But you've been bullish on gold since I can remember, and the fundamentals that have pushed gold up are still there. Government spending. Now, add to that, the catalyst we had a couple of years ago with Russia invading Ukraine and getting kicked out of the SWIFT system, and now a new catalyst, which is this ordered world we've lived in seems to be becoming less ordered, and that obviously has an impact on the world monetary markets, and gold is playing its role in that.
Well, also, we have to believe that the Chinese, which we know have been selling treasuries, will, I think, be a buyer of whatever large size amount of gold there is, and it seems insatiable to them.
It is insatiable, and they, relative to their reserve currencies, gold is still a pretty small part. And you said something interesting, Jim, which is, the Chinese and their treasury position. It's not just the Chinese anymore. Other countries are, or at least there's a perception that other countries are getting a little bit nervous about their treasury holdings as well.
Well, I've got to tell you, there had come a time when everyone said gold was done and that what you needed to be doing was buying crypto, any form, Bitcoin. You and I and your predecessor, we all agreed that that was just nonsense. Is gold showing its true colors, and is crypto showing its true colors?
Well, gold is certainly showing its true colors, and it has been demonstrably over the last couple of years, and that's why, we continue to be constructive on gold. But I will tell you, there's a glass half full with the crypto, in that I think what crypto might have done, Jim, is it brought a entire young generation into the realization that fiat currency is risky, and what they're now realizing, this same young generation. In fact, the same people who like crypto now really love gold, because they're saying, of all the things to have as a hedge against fiat currency, gold is the most liquid, it's the most real, there's no risk, there's no risk of somebody, figuring out the algorithm and stealing my crypto. So I think in a strange way, in a constructive way, crypto has actually brought in an entire generation of people into gold.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.